this rain business that you speak of?
I know. So much so that I said it was Monday. Confidently said it was Monday.
Really throwing us off.
Yeah, we got some wet weather in southern Maine today. Going to be kind of a gloomy one. Good one to get some chores done, though. It's so hard, I feel like, when the weather's nice for like a week to like get things done.
Or sleep.
Or sleep. Yeah, today's going to be a
You
good
just feel
day.
guilty because you don't want to miss out on the good stuff.
Yeah,
Right, exactly. And you know, like if your apartment is like kind of hot, maybe even putting off something you want to bake or cook that like requires a lot of heat, the oven. Today's kind of a good day for that too, because you won't be fighting against hot temperatures in southern Maine. It's going to be a cloudy, cool day in the southern part of the state, much warmer and nicer to the north. We also have this rain knocking on our doorstep, moving into extreme southern Maine. So Kittery, probably noticing a couple raindrops out there this morning. This will continue to push into York County through the morning, likely getting as far north as the Portland area, maybe some portions of the peninsulas and islands in the mid-coast. And then that's about it for the rain. For the clouds, they do make it farther into the state, but still with high pressure in place across northern Maine, it will keep you nice and sunny and also quite warm there as we get into the afternoon. All thanks to the stationary front parked to our south. We've had this area of low pressure that's been sitting down there for the past 36 hours or so, brought a ton of flooding yesterday to New Jersey, to Long Island, in New York, to southern New England. Now the rain is reaching us. Not expecting any big issues with it, though. It won't cause any flooding. In southern Maine, it's pretty showery all day. It probably doesn't rain the entire day, but off and on showers are likely throughout much of the day. North of there, though, we stay dry and we will be much sunnier. So for our Tuesday, 69 will be the high in Portland. We'll be in the mid-70s in Lewiston. We'll be near 80 in Bangor, low to mid-80s in northern Maine. Potentially completely sunny there all day. So turning very nice and warm. Kind of a little bit of an upside down day for us, where the warmest temperatures are in the typically coolest part of the state. So let's take things hour by hour as we head through the day. Showers, again, likely in southern Maine as we get through the day. Sunshine sticking around in northern Maine. And again, this could extend as far east as the mid-coast in some of the peninsulas and islands there. This is noontime. Notice northern Maine very warm and sunny. Still warm in places like Bangor, even Lewiston, very warm. So there's likely a scenario where you drive from Portland, it's wet and cool, to Lewiston, and it's warm with some sun peeking through. As we get into the evening, the showers will wrap up. Looks much nicer as we get into Wednesday with everybody clearing out and getting a nice warm day. In terms of rainfall, you can see it's mostly southern Maine, York County likely all getting wet. The Portland area probably a little bit of rain and extending again into portions of the mid-coast as well with a little wet weather. Outside of there, though, the state remains completely dry. Now, in terms of humidity, as we get through the rest of the week, that will not stay the case. We will turn quite muggy on Thursday, and same story on Friday, very humid, also quite hot, high temperatures in the 90s in some spots. And then it all ends for the weekend. It will be beautiful, warm and sunny with low humidity too. So let's break things down as we head through the rest of the week. That area of low pressure and the stationary front slowly shifting away as we get into Wednesday, which will turn into a beautiful day. Heat levels then build for Thursday, and I couldn't rule out an afternoon storm on Thursday as a cold front slowly approaches, but it looks like the better chance of showers and storms holds off until Friday when that front actually moves on in. So some scattered showers and storms likely for Friday afternoon. Still pretty hot and humid. And then we clear things out, turning beautiful for the weekend. Sunny, very comfortable for both Saturday and Sunday. Also very warm. So if you're hoping for a nice warm weekend in the upcoming one, you will get it. Here's a look at our marine forecast. 2 to 4 foot seas. We've got small crafts in place, of course, with that system passing by to our south. It's a bit breezy out there on the Gulf of Maine. And here's our 7-day. You can see away from the coast, it's a warm and nice day today, just with some extra clouds around. Tomorrow, sunny and warm in the mid-80s. Thursday, hot, near 90 degrees or in the low 90s. Chance of an afternoon storm. Better chance on Friday, where we're all hot and muggy. And then a beautiful weekend follows, low to mid-80s. Sunshine and low humidity. So that's exactly where we want the best weather of the week.
That's
Saturday, Sunday.
Perfection.
Perfection.
Yeah.
Beach days for sure.
Yes. All right. Thanks, sir. Appreciate that.